everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. Today's video is a video that is actually one that you guys requested and you guys had the idea for after my god-awful FabFitFun unboxing. And you guys said, we want to see what makeup brands you want to see in your makeup subscription services. And I thought, that's an ingenious idea. I hear you, let's do this. So if this sounds like a video for you, let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay guys, this is like my fourth time filming this, and I kept getting interrupted, so fingers crossed we don't get interrupted this time. I accidentally called 911 through my phone because my camera kept going off and sending off my notifications. And so apparently, which I knew this, if you hit the button a certain amount of times on an Apple, it contacts all of your emergency contacts and 911. So that was quite embarrassing to explain to 911 that I didn't really need them. I'm so sorry. So I'm embarrassed. Go me. Anyways, that's not what this video is about. This video is about brands that I would love to see in our makeup subscription service. Now, I'm keeping with the $25 price range, so I know realistically not all of these brands are going to be something that we probably could see in, like, say, Ipsy or Boxycharm, but it can be a wish list, you know? So let's start off with one that I do feel that could potentially be realistic, and that's Urban Decay. I have not picked up the latest palette by Urban Decay, which is the Honey palette, but I have heard insanely amazing reviews on that particular palette, and it leads me to be like, hey, is it that far-fetched to see Urban Decay and Ipsy or Boxycharm, you know? We see Too Faced, we see Tarte, we see Violet Voss, we see Pure. There's a lot of companies that we see that are around that price range. So I'm like, I don't think it's that far-fetched. I bet you they come out with a mini Honey palette, and that'd be great to see in an Ipsy or Boxycharm. Moving on, you guys, I could have sworn said in our last live, which is every Sunday, 6:15 Eastern Standard Time, maybe I dreamt it, but I could have sworn you guys had said Natasha Denona was coming to, was it Boxycharm? Maybe? I don't know. I could be wrong. But that excites me so much because you guys know I love Natasha Denona formula. I absolutely love her shadows. And even if it's like the 5-pan minis, I'd be totally okay with that, you know? I know that I used to get the Allure in the glossy box, and at some point I had canceled it, and I want to say like a month or two later they came out with the single Natasha Denona shadow. I don't want that. I want her 5-pan, either the mini or the larger size 5-pan. That would be amazing. Another brand I'd like to see is Pat McGrath. Now I know this is a huge wish list type of item, but I think it would be wonderful to, even if it was like, obviously this would probably be out of the picture, but she has like 6-pan palettes, you know? So like, wasn't there even like a 3-pan highlighter palette? I don't know, but even if we, you know, Kathleen Lights goes on about the Pat McGrath lip liners, the Pat McGrath eyeliners, like that would be so amazing to get like a luxe eyeliner in there or lip liner. Like, I think that would be so amazing. Another brand I wanted to talk about was Charlotte Tilbury. I love Charlotte Tilbury. You guys know this. I like the foundation. I like the, whatever this stuff is called, the Flawless Filter. I think this stuff is great. But I think, you know, something like that would be great. She has quads. You guys know I'm obsessed with eyeshadows. I would love to get a luxury quad in there by Charlotte Tilbury, because I swear that all the reviews I see on those quads, 9 times out of 10 are amazing reviews on her quads. So I think that would be great. I'm like, if you are giving us, and again, I don't know if I dreamt this, but if you're giving us Natasha Denona, I'm pretty sure you could give us Charlotte Tilbury, right? Oh my gosh, what about Anastasia Beverly Hills, guys? I mean, think about it. You see them at Target or at TJ Maxx. Like, would it be that far-fetched to get a palette? I mean, they're releasing so many of them. Like, could we not get an ABH palette in there? I'm not talking about Subculture. Like, give us a newer one. But, I mean, how far-fetched would that be to get an ABH in there? I think that's kind of realistic, just saying. The Hourglass Caution Mascara is amazing. And I would love, love, love to see the Hourglass Caution Mascara in a Boxycharm or Ipsy, and I don't think that that one is that far-fetched. I mean, we do get a decent amount of different type of mascaras in there in the $20-some range, so I think that that would be a good mascara, as well as Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. That was one I know is like a big hit or miss type of mascara, but I actually like that mascara. I like the fact that it had like the little fiber doohickeys, whatever it was in there, kind of like the Caution mascara. Those two released around the same time, so I would love to see something like that in our subscription box. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for this idea. I think this was an excellent idea. I would love to hear in the comment section down below you guys' feedback, like what brands would you guys like to see if you receive those boxes. Like I said, I know that some of this might not be too realistic, but we can all have a wish list, right? Anyways, guys, don't forget, every Sunday night, 6:15 Eastern Standard Time, we go live. We talk about makeup. Follow me over on Instagram and Twitter. Check my description box down below for my second channel, as well as both of my daughter's channel. And I will catch you tomorrow because I'm uploading like 7 days a week now over here for you guys. So I'll catch you in tomorrow's video. As always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky.